Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. So pretty much what I'm doing is getting my closet prepped, organized, and also doing a little bit of cleaning. The guys will be here in about 2 more days to start getting the closet painted. I highly suggest watching the video to the end because I'm not sure if they're going to paint the entire closet. I'm thinking about doing something. I don't know. I'm still kind of milling it over just a little bit. But nevertheless, I just want to get everything into my island. The island will not be getting painted. It's going to get tarped over. So I'm trying to get everything organized. I wanted to mention really quickly, I'm removing this sticky drawer liner. I will not be putting this type of liner ever anywhere else in the house. It is extremely tacky. Just in case if you guys were wondering, when I went to wipe it with the quickies, it got stuck. It was just horrible. So I highly suggest not using this type of liner. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I'm sure when I started off, some of you guys were like, what is she doing? So basically, it was easier to throw everything inside the drawers to kind of figure out placement of how I had things before. I pretty much want to put it back how I had it because it was a system to me. I knew I can come in here and get things the way I needed to grab them. I'm not going to finish. Number one, I'm tired. Number two, I need to wrap these. I was supposed to wrap them before and I didn't. And I do have some wallpaper, but I have to put it up on the wall, and the residual of that, I'm going to use it to wrap this. I thought that these drawer liners were sticky, but they're just paper. They still smell really good. They're at the bottom, lining the drawer. But I was under the impression that they were sticky. This is the first time, I guess I 100% I didn't read the full instructions. So how I have it set up right now is these are all of my shirts and also like spaghetti strap little things that I can wear with my leggings. In here I have my leggings, and in here I have like the sports bra. I think that's somewhat similar to how I had it before, but I need to wrap these because I'm not 100% happy. And then some of them are not as tight as I would want them to be. So I think I don't know if I'm gonna go to the store, if I'm gonna order and have it just shipped or something, or maybe pick up roadside or something like that. But I'm liking it. It looks really good. I know, throwing it in here was like, what? But again, the box was so big, it was just easier to kind of fill it out. I feel like if I organize the drawers and I don't wrap it, I'm not gonna wrap it. I'm gonna leave it like this because it's been like this for like 2 years. So what I wanna do is, get the contact paper, wrap it the way it's supposed to be, and then do everything one time. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this because the guys are gonna come out in 2 days to paint. And I would like for this to be somewhat situated. Yeah, I just said Happy Mother's Day to me. The boys said the gift to me was for them to stay out my way and leave me alone. That ain't happened yet, so I'm still waiting on my real gift because I was like, dang, that's such a good gift. Ain't happened. I want to address something really quickly because a few of you guys were like, how are you able to eat a snack and lose weight? Well, even when I'm live, you only get to see me for 2 hours because I'll do a live and then I'll come back for a second, sometimes a third time. So you only get to see me for 2 hours, which is like at night. And then when I record a video, a lot of times it can be over the course of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days that I've spliced together into 1 day to make a video. So it may look like I snack a lot. I'm not saying that I don't snack, I do, but it is definitely done in moderation. And then like today I'm having pizza, but yesterday I had fish and salad and a lot of fruit. But you know, do you guys want to see that? I feel like my meals are pretty redundant, so I don't be wanting to record it, but for the most part, I can control my eating. I don't have an issue with food. I love food, but I don't have an issue with food. The other part of the Mother's Day was they'll do whatever I ask. Let's see how this works out. I want to use my Mother's Day gift. Are you regretting your Mother's Day gift? I slept for 2 hours.
Yes and no. No, because I know you're enjoying it. Yes, because... yes.
But you didn't even do nothing, really.
But yes, because Aiden is part of the challenge too.
Well, Aiden? Come help your brother get this trash done. Aiden complains, so I didn't want to bother with him.
Oh, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying.
No, I'm saying Aiden complains, so I didn't want to be bothered.
Oh. I won't complain.
Okay. Alright, you guys. Alright, so I am done. Am I done? I'm done. I'm gonna move the broom. I didn't vacuum the shelving. I don't know. Listen, let me just say this now. They're not charging me a little bit of money. They're charging me quite a bit to get this done. And at first, I didn't want to panic because I was like, I don't want to mess this up. What I'm really worried about is the door. Anyway, when they come tomorrow, I'm going to find out how much, if they just paint the doors, how much would that be just to the doors, and I can do everything else because I'm pretty. And then the bottom, because it has that gilding in it, that's the part that I was really like scared of. But now I'm like, the boys kind of gave me a present, but he really wanted a present. Well, let me say this. Tris did hold his end of the bargain, but I did sleep for 2.5 hours. They said anything I wanted today, they would do it. It didn't matter what it was. But I ain't try to play my babies. But anywho, the company is supposed to come to paint the closet. At first, I was like, I don't think I want to paint the closet. But now I'm looking at the closet and I'm getting this new sense of confidence that I might be able to do it. I don't want to do the doors because the doors definitely freak me out just a tiny bit, just a little bit, freak me out a little bit. So I don't know. I was thinking just to see when they come to murder. I think I'm crazy. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try and just ask them how much just to do the doors and see if the price can go down to like half. If it does, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the tops for these two things, for that, and have them glue it on. That way it doesn't move. That I can just have the closet be done instead of me trying to figure out the island and figure out the countertop. And then I have to order a chair. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that tonight. I have to order a chair for here so I can do my makeup. That's about it, you guys. That's about it. I cleaned everything. I'm not gonna mop because they have to come in here and tarp everything up. They gonna come fix everything. I'm gonna ask him because I could have sworn he said he's not gonna do the inside. I don't know. Anywho, I really hope that you enjoyed your day today. This is pretty much how I spent my Mother's Day. I spent it cleaning my closet out. And did I tell you that I'm gonna paint my vanity? I'm gonna leave the doors with the patina on there just as is. And then I'm gonna pull out all the drawers. I'm gonna sand them down, take them in the garage, and I'm gonna paint them by hand with like a roller. Just cause it needs a new coat of paint before I start putting things in it. And I'm gonna paint the sides. And I think that's pretty much it. But I'm excited to get the doors. I don't know if I told y'all. Let me turn it real quick. So basically the doors here, here, and here, they're all gonna be solid. It's all gonna be solid. I decided to leave the panel like this. It just looks really pretty to me. I love it. You know, and the floor also, the floorboards, they're gonna get a nice new coat of paint. Yeah, I think it's gonna look really good once everything is done. You're not gonna see the nails. You're not gonna see all the damage and stuff. Everything's gonna get caulk sanded and coat of paint. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go. It was really nice having you guys keep me company while I got things done. I will definitely see you guys next time. Have a really, really great day. The next time you see this space, it will be fully done. I'm gonna go ahead and go online. I think I went on CB2 and I found these really, really, really gorgeous hardware. They're a little pricey, so I probably do 8 and then in a month do another 8. That way I don't spend so much on the hardware. But I did find these really, really nice hardware pieces that I want to add in here. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Have a really, really great day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.